Anveshi, you can.
Yes. I'm presenting my screen. Ma'am,
Yes.
today we have Spanish, so this quiz is of Spanish.
Okay. Yes, Ashank.
Now I can, teacher.
Yes.
Now I know 1 to 20 in Spanish.
Really? Very good.
Okay. So first goals. In goals, who is there? There are 10 participants. Amongst them, uh, okay, 9 participants.
Jyotsna. Jyotsna. Okay. Tell me one number.
The number is
Which number, Jyotsna?
maybe 10 to 10. And
9. Number 9.
9. What do we call 1 in Spanish? What?
She said uno.
we
Uno.
call one.
Very good. Tomorrow we'll keep another type of quiz. Not this application.
Shashank. Shashank.
Choose the number 1 to 10.
You want to choose number 10.
10. Who teaches us Spanish?
स्पेनिश टीचर का नाम क्या है? Okay, Arush can help. Arush, you can help him.
Like it is from Anne.
You can spell the name.
AINHOA.
AINHOA. Let's check.
Yes.
Let's check.
Sorry, it's AI. There was a I typed fast, so N came before. Okay. Girls, ma'am, can I choose?
Yes.
Okay. I will choose Ani.
8.
8. What do we call 11 in Spanish?
Question.
Arush?
Never.
What?
Nevian. Nevian.
Once.
It's wrong. Okay.
Onse is right. Jyotsna, you don't have to tell in between, okay?
Okay.
Don't. Okay, now, Arav, now it's your turn. Where is Arav? Arav? 6?
Yes.
Number 6.
Lose 20 points.
What is this, Arav? Today you are always losing
Wait,
points.
get a power up. -5.
Okay, now in girls, Geet.
Ma'am, can I try?
Geet. After Geet, I'll tell everyone's name. Geet,
Yes, ma'am.
number
5. Number 5.
What do we call 16 in Spanish?
No one will tell in between.
Ma'am, I try. Ma'am, I know.
Wait, no, you can't say. I'll cut 10 marks from girls team if any girl will tell. Geet,
Yes, ma'am.
what is number 16 in Spanish?
I don't know, ma'am.
Okay. Now you can tell. Akshara, tell what is number 16?
Ma'am, the 86.
You'll not give them marks, but Dieti said. Okay. Shashank, which number?
Which number?
7.
7. Number 7.
Other team loses 25 points.
Very good. Now Akshara Bajaj,
20 हो गया.
Minus 20.
Ma'am, number 4.
number 4. He's so happy. Number 4.
What do we call 8 in Spanish?
Ocho.
Yes.
Ayush, Arush,
Yes, ma'am.
which number?
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. 2.
Number 2.
Number 2. Mute.
We call 19 in Spanish.
Arush, 19 in Spanish.
Very good.
Okay. Now Anveshi.
Yeah.
Anveshi, oh, you're playing. Prakriti. Where is Prakriti?
She's here.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Which number?
I want one.
What do we call 14 in English?
14. Say
14.
14.
Very good.
Arnav. Last. Arnav is there. 3.
What do we call 20 in Spanish? Jackpot.
What is 20 in Spanish? Huh? Vente. He's saying vente.
Okay. We.
Vente. Yes.
Boys.
Boys won. Why are boys crying after winning? Shashank, you again won.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, let's do one. Oh, see how happy he is. He's dancing. Shashank is
Ma'am,
dancing.
laptop को जल्दी बंद करो. Ma'am,
Yes. Shashank,
can you teach us how to make quiz?
on Friday we will do this class.
Ma'am, tomorrow I'll do another type of quiz. So I'll do quiz or Kahoot quiz.
Okay. Tomorrow in the storytelling class, we can have we can teach them to make quiz. Anveshi, we can do that in the storytelling classes.
Yes, ma'am. But if I give my number, everyone troubles me the full day, even
No, you don't have to give your number. No.
continuously.
You don't have to give your number. Why did you give your number to anyone?
I got irritated.
No, you don't have to give your number. You have to teach them here. Okay?
Yes, that's what. And they call every day and they irritate a lot.
No, nobody will call anyone. Okay? We will have this class over here from 7 to 7:30 tomorrow.
Ani had called me 100 times in a day, so I got irritated a lot.
And it's very bad. If anyone can get irritated, like
So I didn't pick up the call sometimes, but after that I screen record and I.
okay, tomorrow we will have the class. Everyone will be ready with their like laptop,
Yes,
mobile, and
everyone will see it in the class only. No one will call each other.
and no one will unmute themselves. I will lock that I'll do something like no one can unmute themselves or ask question like ma'am अब इसके बाद क्या करेंगे. We'll go very slowly. Okay, let's do the drawing class.
Answer.
We have 15 minutes, so we can draw something.
Ma'am, just wait a minute, ma'am. Only 1 minute.
Okay.
Open the book.
Everyone can see. We are going to make fish. Today we will make fish. Water animal.
Okay, ma'am.
शशांक, फिश कहाँ होता है? फिश कहाँ रहता है?
Water.
वाटर में रहता है. और अगर फिश बाहर आएगा तो क्या होगा?
मर जाएगा मैम.
तो तुम्हें मछली जल की रानी आता है?
नहीं.
तुम कल मछली जल की रानी दीदी से सीखना. ज्योत्सना दीदी को आता है. ज्योत्सना, डू यू नो मछली जल की रानी?
Yes.
You can teach him मछली जल की रानी. Okay,
Okay.
let's start. This is the half curve. सबको याद है हमने हाफ कर्व सीखा था? एंड अगेन ऑपोजिट में हाफ कर्व बनाना सीखा था.
One drawing.
Yes. Today we are making fish.
Yes. Because of the mirroring image. No, it's not mirrored. See this.
Yeah. Now you have to make their eyes also. Eyes, fins, and everything.
Without seeing this, I made it.
It is a fish.
Yes, it's a fish.
Okay. Where is? I'm starting drawing.
You are just starting and in the
मैम
yes.
मैम हमें इसका पीछे का नहीं दिख रहा पोर्शन.
कि पीछे का पोर्शन अभी वो दिखा नहीं रहा बेटा. थोड़ी देर में वो दिखाएगा. Arab done? Okay. Now you can color it, Arab. Like which color fish do you like to eat? Arab, fish कहाँ रहता है? और पानी से निकलेगा तो क्या होगा?
So now I'm drawing. Okay, so I'm drawing.
Yes, Arush, you are drawing. Now you can see Akshara.
Yes.
I can't draw the like back fence. Ma'am,
Yes. Acha.
ma'am, I cannot draw the fence.
Ma'am, can you show your body?
Yes, what happened?
Ma'am, I was
Can you show the body?
Okay,
that like
once again I am taking it back.
I cannot draw the fence.
Which fins? The back fin or the above one?
Back,
Tail?
back.
The tail. You can't draw the tail.
Yes.
Just see. Can you see on the screen? Arush?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am, I'm doing.
Ma'am, any color?
Yeah, you can do any color which you like.
Multicolor.
मैम हमने देखी नहीं पूरी फिश मैम क्या वापस दिखा दो मैम आफ्टर आईज
I thought you want from beginning. मैंने देखी नहीं पूरी fish. That's why I did from here.
मैं ड्रॉ कर दिया मैम
Very good. Now you can color it. Color it. Akshara, can you see? Akshara, can you see? Very good. Shashank, very good. Now color it.
मैम कैन
Very good. Very good, Avni. You can make more beautiful.
yes ma'am I am trying to make beautiful
Good evening, Katlina.
good evening
Good evening, Katlina.
good evening I am
Oh, how beautiful fish. Now color it. You have colors? Now color it. Arush, don't sing song in the class. We will have one day singing class also.
good evening
Good evening.
how are
I am fine. How are you, Katrina? You are having something? What are you eating? This candies.
yes
Okay. Everyone can see.
yes ma'am please wait for 5 minutes
Okay.
Ma'am, can I draw a yellow fish?
Yeah, you can draw.
I'm doing the color yellow.
Okay.
मैम क्या हमें भी फिश के अंदर जो बनाए हैं अपने ऑरेंज ऑरेंज मैम हमें भी बनाना है.
If you want, you can make it. It will look nice. It's a goldfish. That's why.
मैं तो कोई और कलर कर दिया.
Okay. Up. It's the fish. Which color fish you like, you can make it. I told you na.
Okay. कलर कर दिए
हाँ,
already.
very good. You can show. Wow. Different color fish. Very good. I can see it's very beautiful.
Thank you ma'am.
We are having only 4 minutes. Everyone has finished drawing. Should I stop sharing?
No ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I am doing coloring.
Coloring part you can do yourself. Like which color you like, you can do it.
Yellow color.
No ma'am. Ma'am, no ma'am. I am doing with your color.
Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am, wait for some time.
Okay, I'll wait for 3 minutes more. After that, ma'am will join the class.
Hello.
Yes. Hello. Arush, what happened?
Ma'am,
Okay. A bit to your left. A bit to your left. थोड़ा सा लेफ्ट करके दिखाओ बेटा. अन्नी, लेफ्ट, थोड़ा लेफ्ट. You are moving to your right. Left किधर है?
colors.
Yes. Good. Good, Annie. Oh, Katrina has so many colors. Can you tell me the name of the colors? Like which color do you have?
I see the color. Colors भी ला दो मेरा और पेंसिल. Loudly.
Green.
Please give me all pencil color.
You made a basket.
छोटा है. अरे रुको.
What is this? What have you made?
मॉड्यूल है रे वो कोई तो मॉड्यूल है. Over there, Anveshi is there. I can see her yellow t-shirt.
I can also see Anveshi is there. She's helping.
Katlina has just made zigzag lines.
Nice zigzag line.
She has learnt lines in her
Straight
school,
line.
so she has made it. I gave her color, she made it.
Hello.
Very good, Katrina.
Teacher.
Avni, should I stop sharing? Avni, should I stop sharing?
Ma'am, this is my new microphone.
Very good, Katrina.
Sending to Kevin.
Ma'am, always. Ma'am, this fish had only one fish.
What happened, Shashank?
मैं अच्छा ड्राइंग बनाऊंगा.
Show it to me. दिखाओ अपना फिश दिखाओ. शशांक ने कैसा फिश बनाया?
मैं बना रहा हूँ मैं.
Okay.
Hello.
Ma'am is here.
Good evening, ma'am.